On November 30, 2022, the revolutionary AI tool ChatGPT was launched, marking a transformative moment in how people interact with technology. This tool has dramatically reshaped how we think, work, search for information, and organize our lives. However, like any powerful tool, it comes with risks if not used responsibly. In this video, we'll break down the hidden dangers of ChatGPT and provide easy-to-understand tips to keep yourself safe. Stick with us until the end. You'll learn how to protect your personal information and maximize the benefits of this innovative AI. The revolutionary launch of ChatGPT. When ChatGPT was introduced, it opened up exciting possibilities for productivity, creativity, and learning. From helping students write essays to aiding professionals in brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT quickly became a favorite tool. But as with any tool, its misuse or over-reliance can lead to unintended consequences. That's why understanding how to use it safely is crucial. Key guidelines for safe interaction with ChatGPT. 1. Protect your personal and financial information. Let's start with the golden rule. Never share sensitive information with ChatGPT. 1. Examples of what not to share: bank account numbers, passwords, credit card details, social media login credentials, or private documents. 2. Why this matters. ChatGPT doesn't store information permanently, but anything typed into it can still be intercepted or mishandled. 2. For instance, identity theft. Imagine a hacker gaining access to your bank account because you shared sensitive details. Unauthorized transactions. Fraudsters could use your credit card information for purchases you didn't approve. Pro tip: treat ChatGPT like a public conversation. If it's something you wouldn't share in a crowded room, don't share it here. 2. Be cautious with health-related advice. ChatGPT can provide general health tips, but it's not a doctor. For example, 1. What ChatGPT can do. Offer insights like, drink more water to stay hydrated. 2. What ChatGPT can't do. Diagnose medical conditions or prescribe medication. Real-life example. Suppose you have a persistent headache, and ChatGPT suggests rest and hydration. If the headache is actually a symptom of a more serious issue, relying solely on AI could delay essential medical treatment. Remember, always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical concerns. ChatGPT is a helpful assistant but no substitute for professional expertise. 3. Avoid inappropriate content and conversations. Engaging with ChatGPT in unethical or harmful ways can result in penalties like being restricted from using the service. Examples include: 1. Disrespectful language. Using offensive or hateful language in your interactions. 2. Illegal or harmful queries. Asking for advice on illegal activities or dangerous practices. Keep it respectful. Treat ChatGPT as you would any professional tool, with integrity and respect. 4. Be mindful of your digital footprint. Every interaction you have online leaves a trace, including your conversations with ChatGPT. Here's why it matters. 1. Permanent data risks. Even if you delete a conversation, information shared online can sometimes be retrieved or misused. 2. Long-term consequences. For example, sharing sensitive information today could lead to unexpected issues years later. Tip: think twice before typing. Ask yourself, do I want this information out there forever? 5. Verify information before acting. ChatGPT tries its best to provide accurate information, but it's not perfect. For instance, 1. Misinformation risks. ChatGPT might provide outdated or incorrect facts. 2. How to stay safe. Double-check important advice with trusted sources, especially in areas like finance, health, or legal matters. Example: if ChatGPT suggests an investment strategy, consult a financial advisor before committing any money. Why these guidelines matter: balancing benefits and risks. ChatGPT can make life easier, but misuse can have serious consequences. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy its benefits without falling into common traps. The importance of data security in today's digital age, protecting your personal and financial information is more critical than ever. Cyber criminals are always looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities, so staying vigilant is essential. Critical thinking. Your best defense: AI is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. Question the information it provides, verify details with reliable sources, and think critically before acting on its suggestions. Promoting community awareness. By sharing these safety tips with friends and family, you can help others use ChatGPT responsibly. Together, we can create a safer digital environment. Final thoughts. Stay safe while maximizing benefits. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an incredible tool that can help you learn, work, and create. However, to use it responsibly. 1. Protect your personal data. Never share sensitive information like passwords or bank details. 2. Be skeptical about health advice. Consult professionals for medical issues. 3. Respect online etiquette. Keep conversations ethical and constructive. 4. Think before you share. Be aware of your digital footprint. 5. Double-check advice. Always verify critical information with credible sources. By following these simple guidelines, you can make the most of ChatGPT while staying safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more essential tips on navigating the digital world. Let's build a smarter and safer future together.